Yeah, Queen, what's up?
Prince.
Yeah, Queen, what's up? What's up? Where do you go?
I'm fine.
No,
but
you're
I'm
not
not
fine. Queen, you're not fine.
Prince, your friend.
My friend, you mean Michael?
Yes, he's teaching on me.
He's doing what?
He's teaching on me.
How come? Michael, my friend. No. Why? What's wrong?
Do you know something? Your friend is teaching on me with a certain lady called Tina.
Tina.
I've been able to track the lady on his phone.
Sure.
Yes. And I know what is going on. Well, it's fine.
Yeah.
That's why I came to tell you about this.
No. Queen, Michael will never do that. You know Michael is my friend. We've worked for the past 10 years now. You know Michael. Michael is not my nice. Michael will never do that. I know Michael.
Prince, he is my husband and he's your friend.
Oh, Michael.
But you don't know what he's capable of doing.
But I'm saying I'll break Michael virgin. Michael and yes, I many Michael not catching.
It's a thing. Like, girl, no crown. Man, to me, I'm confronting. Like, I couldn't confront her because I don't know. Like, I am
Michael bit back on the extent say, wow, you know, we them be a toy. Michael to him called that extent say, Obofour for which it is that.
Prince, what that means, yes, like, me no one next.
Sometimes in Bani, they can say sometimes, you know, I would eat no do. Oba uti nkofan bebre wan hwe wa wan ye guntem me so jimili ana onim say me Michael ya nanti ake for wa na Michael ntimi emfa we chi da
say obi na ka kire me aka me nchi ba Michael ye me kunu say do tie onu an phone to say ni phone ana me phone na traffic girl no so you say onu ni be
then you are tracking different person. It's not true. No. You need to go through the details very well because Michael will never do that. I know Michael.
Michael is breaking my heart.
Oh no, calm down.
Me no dey worry but we are not down for the reason why I came to tell you about this. Please.
Yes. Queenie, calm down. Queenie, so trust me. Unje Michael unje.
Just say me kono no but why any ma bebre ama. See anu me ankasa no. Like,
okay, you calm down. I'll call Michael myself. I'll sit down with Michael. And if anything, I'll just tell you anything. Okay?
You just talk to
me. If the Michael dear, want to mean cover. If the other them are their choice. I might get it in my phone.
Like, dang, see. Here, I need to know my friend.
With the work out them at me. Although no meaning say Michael can never do this, but what can the other young for? Power casa. I'm finding out. It's in Copan, and yes, I did one time. Well, we are looking soon.
Thank you, you don't seem so.
I keep on thinking of you and me.
I don't know. My husband is cheating. Wait. My husband is cheating.
Cheating on you?
I took his phone. The lady called and I picked the call.
Michael?
Yes. And even what even pains me is I checked the lady's picture on his WhatsApp. So I know the lady. You know the lady.
Maybe she's your friend.
She's not my friend. Right now you are my friend. What should I do? What am I going to do?
Okay, take out. I'll call Michael and talk to him to take out. I'll talk to Michael. No, relax.
Why do men cheat?
Relax. Oh, I'll talk to him. Michael. Oh my God.
Michael,
can you imagine? Michael.
Side chick.
So you have seen the woman picture?
Yes, the woman called. Babe, the woman called.
Oh my God.
She's not even a woman, the lady.
Don't worry. Take out. I'll talk to Michael. Don't worry. Everything will be okay. Trust me, I'll talk to him. Don't worry. That's my girl.